I have an exam. I have an exam. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I read the questions. I read the questions. I think carefully. I think carefully. I write my answers. I write my answers. I use a pencil. I use a pencil. I fill the blanks. I fill the blanks. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I solve problems. I solve problems. I check my work. I check my work. I stay focused. I stay focused. I don't talk. I don't talk. I don't peek. I don't peek. I finish on time. I finish on time. I feel proud. I feel proud. I hand it in. I hand it in. I wait patiently. I wait patiently. I hope for good grades. I hope for good grades. I get my results. I get my results. I feel happy. I feel happy. I try my best. I try my best.